What's happening YouTube? Today I shall do a quick review of the Behringer DD400 digital delay pedal. I got this model from Amazon for £25, cable not included with that. I must say it is quite a pedal. I can compare it to any sort of 120, 130 pound pedal and not really tell the difference with it. So now I'm going to take you for a little sort of test run, show around the different settings, just to give you a glimpse of just how good this pedal actually is. Well, this is just a test of the amp, so it's set to clean. Now with the delay pedal set to sort of the tone I usually play it at, which is medium time. The reverb level isn't so turned up, it's probably about 2/3 or 1/3 even, and the level is turned to a quarter, and I have it set to 500 milliseconds. That's what it sounds like. Gives a nice sort of rich, clean sound. Okay, so now I'm back to clean again, and now I'm going to turn up some of the levels, see what it does, and I'll play it back. Okay, so now I've got it set to, everything set to medium, and it's still on 500 milliseconds. And it's repeated a lot more now, so the delay does last for a lot longer. But it gives it a really nice sort of deep sound if you're going for the sort of really ear-tingling sort of sound. So yep, so those are the basic setups you can do. So that was just a quick sort of review on the pedal itself. It is a very, very fine pedal, so I will be getting more gear, more stuff, sort of doing some guitar how-tos. You just sort of tell me what to do down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, it helps out a lot, and I shall see you in the next video.